and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making chicken tikka masala. For our ingredients, we have Greek yogurt, fresh lemon juice, cumin, gram masala, red chili powder, salt, fresh ginger, and minced garlic. And we have our chicken breast. Next for our sauce, we have vegetable oil, butter, onions, ginger, garlic, brown sugar, ground coriander, cumin, smoked paprika, gram masala, tomato sauce, heavy cream, and water. Here, we're going to marinate our chicken. First, we're going to use our garlic, and now our salt, our fresh squeezed lemon juice, our cumin, next your gram masala, red chili powder, ginger. We're just going to mix it in a little bit. And now we're going to add in our yogurt. We're going to mix all our ingredients in together well. You want to add the chicken and toss the coat. You want to let it marinate for about 15 minutes to an hour. Ideally, it's overnight in the refrigerator. Once your chicken has finished marinating, now we're going to move on to put in oil in our large skillet. Over medium-high heat, we're going to add our chicken pieces in batches. If necessary, making sure not to crowd the pan. Let them fry untouched for 1 minute to develop a crust. You want to let them brown for about 5 minutes. And then you want to set aside and keep warm. So here we're just frying our chicken. And we're going to set it aside. Now we're going to move on to making our sauce. You want to melt your butter into your pan. And then you want to add your onions and you want to saute your onions until they are soft. That takes anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes. Now you want to add your garlic. You want to saute that for 30 seconds or until fragrant. Next, we're going to add in our ginger and we're going to saute that also. Now we're going to add our brown sugar, our cumin, our coriander, our paprika, our gram masala, and our salt. And we're going to stir this occasionally for about 15 seconds until fragrant. Next, we're going to move on to adding our tomato sauce, and we're going to let this simmer gently for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want to stir this occasionally until your sauce has thickened and becomes deeper in color. Next, we're going to add our heavy cream. You want to stir in your heavy cream until it is incorporated. And next we're going to add back our chicken along with any juices. You want to cook your chicken for an additional 8 to 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce is thick and bubbly. We're going to pour in our water to thin out our sauce only if it's necessary. Our chicken is done. You can serve this over balsamic rice with nana bread and garnish with chopped cilantro. This chicken was delicious. This is a delicious Indian dish. We have made chicken tikka masala. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.